In this video, we are going to check the maximum RAM capacity your laptop can upgrade to and how many slots it has. We will be doing that without any third-party tools or internet connection. First, in the search bar, type PowerShell and press Enter. To check the maximum RAM capacity your laptop can upgrade to, type get WMI object Win32 physical memory array. Select N max RAM gigabyte E max capacity 1 megabyte. Memory devices. Format table. Then press Enter. You'll see two things. The maximum capacity, which is in gigabytes. This will indicate the total RAM your system can support, and also the number of slots, which will also indicate how many physical RAM slots your laptop has. For example, if it outputs 32 gigabytes and 2 slots like mine, it means your laptop can take up to 32 gigabytes in total with 16 gigabytes per slot. Now, instead of running all these commands manually, I built something special for you. This is my Ultimate RAM Inspector Pro, an interactive PowerShell tool that does all the heavy lifting automatically. It detects your installed memory, slot usage, manufacturer, and even upgrade potential in seconds. From the brand, speed, voltage, and type, down to the exact slot your RAM is sitting in. Every real Windows Power user should have this tool in their kit. So before you rush to buy new memory, run this tool and see your upgrade potential for yourself. Now I'm curious, what's your maximum supported RAM? Drop it in the comment. I want to see who has the highest out there.